Whoa, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Legoshi from BEASTARS, okay? Really amazing anime. I enjoyed it incredibly. So we're gonna hop right into this lesson. This lesson's gonna be step by step all the way to the very end. Stay till the end of the video because the video is really short, maybe like 10 minutes. And that's pretty much it. Let's hop right into it. Okay, let's go over how to draw Legoshi. Legoshi, sorry. All right, let's do it. I love this anime, by the way. I was like surprised how much I like this anime. All right, let's do it. Gonna go over here for the top of his head. So maybe a line here. It's gonna go over here up for one ear. And we're gonna curve downward here. Let's go over here up on the other side. All right, and we're gonna pull down here. Go in here, the front of the face, out, down, and that's gonna roll right into the snout of his, right? So we're gonna go right here. Kind of something like that, cut it off, and then we're gonna extend this a little bit more for his wolf snout. Down, curve in, line out over here, down. Good for his nose, and his nose essentially is like that typical kind of, how do we call it? It's like a typical shape of like a wolf nose. It's kind of like an upside down triangle. It's down here, right in the center, okay? Right in the center here. Down. Curve. Okay, let's find the far side of his face. So he has this like furriness sticking out of the corner there. Right on. And then over here on this side, there's gonna be a point. Well, actually, let's go over here to the mouth first. Down over here. Kind of mildly amused. Gonna go, now I'm gonna pull out over here. Curve in. Curve down. Right there. Curve down here. Pull back. It's relatively flat underneath his neck there. Ooh, be careful of these Sharpies, by the way. You have to put some air, like open a window, something like that, crack a window, because these things smell bad and the smell is not good for you. So just kind of stay aware of that. They're really cheap markers, and I just started using them just because they're very thin. Let's go to the inner ear, okay? I'm gonna pull a line here. And a line curve around there. And curve over here. Let's go over here, this other ear. Zigzag all the way up. And pull down. Let me know if you saw BEASTARS. I'm assuming that's why you're drawing this. It's an anime it's not my thing normally, but I was shocked how much I enjoyed it. It was like shockingly, amazingly fun to watch. So, but yeah. Really cool anime, BEASTARS. Curve down, but like I said, so that's why you're watching it, or that's why you're here, right? Because you saw it. So I'm gonna pull. Now I'm gonna go down here to the neck. He has a relatively thin neck. I noticed that about this character. He's just got a really thin neck going on. Let's go over here to the far side eye first. Okay, pull up. Top eyelid. Over here on this side. Same thing. Let's go for that top eyelid first. It's a little bit thicker, right? Just because there's an eyelash on it. Curve underneath. The line underneath is going to be relatively thin. Go over here on this side, Curve up. Line up there. Line across. Over here on this side. Line up. Line across. Over here on this side. Over the eye. He's got a very like unamused look on his face. It's like, okay, what's up? What's going on? All right. And now we're gonna draw his collar, right? Gonna go over here, up. This gets to be like a regular collared shirt. Pull back. Out over here, down. Down over here. Curve, curve. Down. Down here. Line up here. Up here. Up here. Alrighty. Go down. Curve here for the far side collar again. Out, that triangle shape. It's gonna pull up over here. And then curve the other side of this tie around there. So there's something missing on his face. A couple of things. One thing is his eyebrow right here. Relatively thick, not that thick eyebrows. Right on. And then what I really want to do that's very, very thin, and you have to do this thin, okay? Is this pattern right here between, it's a color change pattern right there. It's going to be around the eyebrow area, and it's going to be like right here. Like so. And down here. The other thing I actually recommend doing is probably filling in the nose. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna fill it in, honestly. I mean, why not? There we go. Except for a little highlight right there at the end. Line out here for the shoulder. The character is like a pretty broad-shouldered dude. That's why I'm saying like his head looks sometimes small for the body. Curve right here. He's got like a vest on. Go over here, pulling back. Down right there. Down right there. And pull down right there for the rest of the outfit going on. Go over here to this far end, since we're going to this side, and I'm going to pull a line down there for that side of the vest. I'll pull a curve line here. So kind of tie that in the back there. Line out. Down over here. And continue to go straight down the vest. I mean, and that's going to kind of end down below screen pretty much. But I'll still cut it off there. We'll go here. Circle, line. A line. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I got a little bit of a cough left over. All right. Gonna go over here. I was like sick like a few weeks ago, and I still have this like lingering cough, which is really annoying. Curve down here, out of here, and pulling in. Over here in this area, pull in. He's got the like the shirt rolled up, and then that's just gonna go down the rest of his arm. All right, going over here to this side, down the shoulder. Curve. Same thing, just kind of measuring it out from this side, like where would the fold be, right? Where it kind of starts folding. here. Alrighty, gonna go over here, circle. Over here, another button, circle. And maybe like line across right here for the fold. Line across here for the fold. Fold right here, crunching right in the armpit. That's normally where a lot of folds come out. Line right there, some tension. Right, you think about like the tension in the cloth. And that's normally where it's coming from, right? Same thing we hear when they have it rolled up. There's gonna be some folding in certain areas like that. Line over here, line over here. Line up. And like I said, I still like creating a thicker line on the outside. You know, like just on the outside border, because, and it's just gonna be a little thicker than normal. It just has, it's like a thing, it's a technique done in line art that I highly recommend. By the way, don't forget, if you like this anime, let me know. I'll draw the other characters from it. You just have to let me know in the comments or hit that like, because the more likes this get, the more I'm gonna be like, oh, okay, I should do more characters from this. But you have to let me know. That's the only way to let me know, is to hit that like, or you can just verbally say, hey, I want you to draw this person, you know? And I will definitely do it. You know, if you kind of make it clear that's what you want. Again, throwing a thicker line just on the silhouette area. Right on. Right there. And there we go. You have that line, kind of decoration it, and it makes it look better. Maybe a thin line right here on the eyes, just to kind of give it some practicality, a little bit of that touch of reality. All right, thanks so much. See you next time. Let's jump in. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.